Welcome to this tutorial about the Discord.py fork Disnake. To follow this tutorial, the prerequisite will be a basic understanding of Python and how to use APIs. Let's get right into it. If you don't have Disnake installed yet, make sure to install it using pip. Let's start with importing Disnake and Disnake.ext first, and generally creating the structure of the bot. We will pass the command prefix and the intents in the bot constructor, which will get used later. If you want to use multiple prefixes, make sure to use a list and not a string. We will use the bot.run function now, with a proper token, to get our bot to connect to the Discord WebSocket. This will make sure that our bot is even online when we test it out. In order to get the token, visit the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Once you have done that, you will need to create a bot first, and then regenerate the token. After you have done that, simply copy it and paste it into the string inside the bot.run function. Note that you shouldn't give the token to anyone. Doing so will give them access to your whole bot, which you most likely don't want. If for some reason, the token has been leaked, immediately reset the token. Now we will create an event, which fires once the bot has been connected to the WebSocket. This can be important for such situations like debugging your code. We will also print out the bot's username including the discriminator to assure we are using the right token for the right bot. Now we will run the file, and see if everything works. Do not forget to save your code like I did first. Looks like we forgot to enable our intents in the developer portal. Let's enable them. As we are using every intent, we will need to enable every intent.
After we have saved the changes, we will invite the bot to our server with the given URL generator in the developer portal. Also, make sure to enable the applications.command scope as this is needed for using /commands, which we will go through. Now we have successfully invited our bot, and we are able to run our code in order to see if everything is working. Looks like everything is working so far. Now let's see if the bot is online. Everything is working so far. Now let's create a prefix command. You can name it whatever you want. There are two functions that you can use to send a message. awaitctx.send simply sends a message into a channel where the command has been invoked. ctx.reply on the other side, replies to your message which you have sent. If you would like to type in ctx, you will need to type in it as commands.context and not as I did it. It was wrong. However, it is not necessary anyways. Here are two examples of the mentioned functions before. The one replies and the other just sends a message. Annotating as I did also is not needed. Your command should look like this in the end without the type hinting. Once again, do not forget to save your code. Looks like everything is working so far. Let's test out the command. As you see, everything works as intended. Make sure to subscribe to not miss any videos within this tutorial.